Hello students, I am Satyaprakash. Welcome to Cars Physics. We are continuing chapter number 2, Electric Potential and Capacitance, and this is my lecture number 23 on the chapter. In previous lectures, we have discussed how to find equivalent capacitance of a number of capacitors if connected in series and if connected in parallel. Okay. Also, we have done some numericals based on combination of capacitors. What I have remembered, I have told you that I will raise the level of numericals gradually, means we will discuss different methods. We will discuss different methods how to find equivalent capacitance of a number of capacitors. Okay. So in lecture 1, we have discussed some fundamental numericals. In part 1 of discussion on numericals on combination of capacitors, in part 1 we have discussed some fundamental numericals. In part 2 we have discussed how to find equivalent capacitance if we use connecting wires of zero resistance. In part 3 again we have discussed how to find equivalent capacitance by applying potential method. In this lecture, we will discuss how to find equivalent capacitance of infinite series of capacitors, or we may say infinite series or infinite ladder. Infinite series of capacitors or infinite ladder of capacitors. Okay. So again I would like to advise the students, those who have not gone through previous lectures, go through all the lectures, means the basic discussions and also the numericals which are discussed in part 1, part 2 and part 3. Okay. Then I think this part will be very easier for you. Okay. This part will be very easier for you. Let's start. We have to find the equivalent capacitance of infinite series of capacitors. Okay. Let's consider a number of capacitors are arranged like this. This capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad. This is a capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad. Again, this is a capacitor of capacitance 1 microfarad. This is a capacitor of capacitance 2 microfarad. Okay, and so on. Okay. Let's take terminals. This terminal is A, this terminal is B, and this combination is extended up to infinity. Means 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and so on. Okay. You may connect here. This is 1 microfarad. Okay. Again, this is 2 microfarad, and so on. And so on up to infinity. Okay. So infinite series of capacitors. See, this is the question. We have to find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Let's assume A is connected to positive terminal and B is connected to negative terminal of a cell, means point A is maintained at high potential and point B is maintained at low potential. Then we have to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Equivalent capacitance between A and B. See, this numerical appears as a complex one. This numerical appears as a complex one, but practically to solve this numerical is very easy. Just we have to follow some method. Okay. Just imagine, this is 1 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. Okay. This is 1 microfarad, this is also 1 microfarad up to infinity. Okay. See, just think. This is a point M. This is a point N. N. M and N. Just think like this. Okay. So towards left, point M and point N, towards left means towards left there are only two capacitors, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and towards right 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad means towards right there are infinite number of capacitors. Okay, left, sum of these infinite number of capacitors means equivalent capacitance of infinite number of capacitors towards right of this line, imaginary line Mn is X. Okay, just think like this. Then the equivalent diagram, this point is A, this is 1 microfarad, this point is B, again this is 2 microfarad. Okay, this point is M, this point is N. Okay, and towards right again there are infinite number of capacitors left. Sum of all these capacitors, infinite number of capacitors is X. Equivalent capacitance is X. Let all these capacitors are add up to give capacitance means equivalent capacitance X. Join this between M and N. Join this between M and N. Okay. See, equivalent capacitance of all these capacitors means infinite number of capacitors is X. Now we have to add X with 1 microfarad and 2 microfarad. This is our concept. Then again, redraw the circuit. This point is A. This is 1 microfarad. This point is B. Then just see, 2 microfarad and X are in series. Second plate is connected to first plate. So as we have discussed in series combination. So if two capacitors are connected in series, then series group capacitance is given as reciprocal of series group capacitance is sum of reciprocal of capacitances, then series group capacitance is C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Then sum of these two capacitors in series is given as this is C1, this is C2. Let's think like this then. C1 C2 2 into X divided by 2 plus X microfarad. Okay. So sum of infinite capacitance is X. Now we have to add these two capacitances with X. Then 2 microfarad and X in series. This is result of equivalent capacitance of 2 microfarad and X microfarad in series. This is the result. Now these two are in parallel, and as we know, if two capacitors C1 and C2 are connected in parallel, then parallel group capacitance is sum of capacitances. Then total capacitance means equivalent capacitance is 1 microfarad plus C1 plus C2, 2x divided by 2 plus X. We have got equivalent capacitance of a whole infinite number of capacitors. But see, sum of infinite capacitances is X. Sum of infinite number of capacitance means capacitance of infinite number of capacitance 1, 2 is X. Now this is X. If we add only two capacitances with X, then equivalent capacitance will be X. Is it clear? See, from M and N, these 2 points, we have taken an imaginary line towards right of Mn. infinite number of capacitors, and equivalent capacitance of this infinite number of capacitance is X. Then equivalent capacitance of infinite capacitance is X. Then we have to add only 2, 1 microfarad and 2 microfarad with X. Then if sum of infinite capacitance is X, if we add only 2 capacitors with X, then result will be X. Then equivalent capacitance is X. This is equivalent capacitance. Equivalent capacitance is X. That's equals to 1 plus 2X by 2 plus X. Okay. Sum of infinite capacitances is X. If we add only 2 capacitances with X, then result is also X. Is it clear? Let's solve for X. Okay. Let's solve for X. So X is equal to, this is X, this is X. Okay. X is equal to 1 plus 2X divided by 2 plus X. Then X is equal to 2 plus X. Only we have to solve 2 plus X, 2 plus X plus 2X. Then cross multiply 2X plus X square. Cross multiply 2X plus X square is equal to 2 plus X plus 2X. 2 plus X plus 2X. Okay. Then see, 2X get cancelled. Then X square minus X minus 2 is 0. X square minus X minus 2 is 0. Then just write like this. X square. See, this is minus X. This is minus X. Can I write it? In place of minus X, I can write minus 2X plus X. Minus 2X plus X is minus X. Again, minus 2 is 0. Okay. Then bring X common. X square X. X common. X minus 2. Plus, this is also X minus 2 is equal to 0. Then bring common. X minus 2 into X plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's solve it. Let's solve it. Then X minus 2, first take X plus 1. X plus 1 is 0. X plus 1 is 0 divided by X minus 2, 0. So X is equal to minus 1. Again, this is one value. Then also you may take X minus 2 is 0. Then X is equal to 2 microfarad. This is minus 1 microfarad. This is not taken because this is in negative. Capacitance can't be in negative. So this is positive value of capacitance. So finally, I may redraw this circuit here. I am erasing this part. Final circuit you may do here. Final circuit between A and B. This is A. This is equivalent capacitance. This point is B, and here equivalent capacitance is X, and here equivalent capacitance is 2 microfarad. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Then second one, another type. Another type. See. Again we have to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. See, this is terminal A, this is terminal B. We have to find capacitance between A and B. This is first capacitor of capacitance C, first row. This is second row. There are 2 capacitors C and C. This is third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C. Then in this row, this is C. This is C. Here we have taken here 4, 2, 4, 8 capacitors. 8 capacitors. Okay. Then take, this is C. We have taken in this row 16 capacitors. C. and so on up to infinity. This point is A, this point is B. C. So here only capacitor of capacitance C, there are 2 capacitors each of capacitance C. Here there are 4 capacitors each of capacitance C. Here 8 capacitors each of capacitance C. Here 16 capacitors each of capacitance C. Means identical capacitors are connected. We have to find equivalent capacitance between A and B. Is it clear? Okay. Then let's redraw the circuit. This point is A. This capacitance is C. This point is B. Okay. Up to infinity, we don't know how many capacitors are there up to infinity. Okay. So these 2 are in series. As it is observed, you know it from previous lectures. These 2 are in series. Then if C and C connected in series, if n number of identical capacitors each of capacitance C are connected in series, then series group capacitance is C by n. Here C and C, 2 capacitors, then series group capacitance is C by 2. Similarly here, series group capacitance is C by 4 capacitors, and here equivalent capacitance is C by 8 number of capacitors, and here equivalent capacitance is C by 16, okay, 16 capacitors, and so on. This point A, this point B. Where A and B we don't know, it's up to infinity. Where the terminals we don't know, because number of capacitors is infinity. So again, let's redraw the circuit. Okay, see, now all these capacitors, equivalent capacitor in first row, equivalent capacitance in second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row, and up to infinity. All these capacitors are in parallel. This is first plate connected to a common point, and second plates are connected to another common point. So all these capacitors in parallel. Then equivalent capacitance, if a number of capacitors are connected in parallel, C1, C2, C3, then equivalent capacitance in parallel is C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on. And here equivalent capacitance is C plus C by 2 plus C by 4 plus C by 8 plus C by 16 and up to infinity. And up to infinity. Okay. Then equivalent capacitance is bring C common, and inside bracket 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 up to infinity. Is it clear? See, inside bracket 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 up to infinity. Now apply, you know it, it's very easy. Apply GP, geometric progression, to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinity. Okay. Then this is C. In outside of bracket we have to find value of this factors in, means inside the bracket let's apply GP. Then it's a result. Result is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. The general formula for GP, you know it. The general formula is I am doing here. So the first diagram I may erase it now. This is the question. We may erase it. Then you know the result of GP. The formula. Result of GP. What the formula you know? That's equals to A by 1 minus R. A by 1 minus R, we are applying GP, which are inside the bracket. Then A is the first one. A is, what is A? A is first term or first one. A is first term. Then A is equal to 1. See, first term is 1. Then what is R? What is R? You know it. What is R? Just recall. It is GP, AP, GP, you know. Okay. AP, GP, you know. Then R is common gap. See, This is 1, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4. Then what is R? Between these two, R is 1 by 2 divided by 1. That's equals to 1 by 2, means gap is 1 by 2. Between these two, R is equal to C. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Again, it will come 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. Similarly, between these two, the common gap is 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Again, it will come 1 by 2. Then what is the result? Result is A. A is first term. Now I am coming to this point, equivalent capacitance C. Then its result is A by R. A is first term 1 divided by 1, and R is found to be 1 minus 2. Then this is C into 1 divided by 1 by 2. Then it will come 2C. Then equivalent capacitance is 2C. Okay. If value of C is given, suppose C is 4 microfarad, then equivalent capacitance is 2 into 4, 8 microfarad. If C is 5 microfarad, then 2 into 5, then equivalent capacitance is 10 microfarad. Okay, is it easier? So these are two examples of numericals on the basis of infinite series of capacitors. Okay. In next lecture, means in part 4, I will discuss again some interesting applications, how to find equivalent capacitance in combination of capacitors. Okay. Thanks children. Thanks for your support. Thanks.